Let's talk about a job that keeps the world running, a job that's absolutely essential to modern society. It's a role that often goes unnoticed, operating behind the scenes, but without it, everything would simply grind to a halt. We're talking about the unsung heroes who ensure our factories hum, our power plants generate electricity, and our transportation systems keep moving, even if you never see it. These individuals are the backbone of industry, the silent guardians of our technological infrastructure. Machines are everywhere. They are the driving force behind our modern lives, pumping water, ensuring we have access to clean and safe resources, building cars, getting us from point A to point B, facilitating trade and travel, keeping the lights on, powering our homes, businesses, and everything in between. But who keeps those machines working? Who ensures they run smoothly, efficiently, and reliably? That's where the fitter and turner comes in. They are the essential cog in the machine of industry. They're the mechanics of industry, the problem solvers, the troubleshooters, the surgeons of steel, diagnosing issues, performing intricate repairs, and ensuring everything is in perfect working order. Without them, the modern world would grind to a halt. Factories would fall silent, production lines would stop, and the flow of goods and services would cease. A fitter and turner assembles, carefully piecing together complex machinery, installs and repairs machine parts, ensuring that everything is aligned and functioning as it should, making sure everything fits and works perfectly. They are masters of precision, ensuring that every component is in its rightful place. The fitter assembles, putting together the pieces of the puzzle. The turner shapes parts on machines like lathes, crafting and refining components to meet exact specifications. It's a blend of brains, brawn, and patience, requiring both technical expertise and physical stamina. They work in factories, mines, keeping the gears of industry turning, ships and power plants in a variety of challenging and demanding environments, solving problems when machines break down, getting things back up and running as quickly and efficiently as possible. It's not glamorous, it can be tough, dirty, and demanding work. But it's a job where you see the results of your work every day, knowing that you've played a vital role in keeping the world moving. If you like understanding how things work, if you have a knack for mechanics and fixing what's broken, if you enjoy the challenge of solving complex problems, this could be your world. A world of innovation, problem solving, and making a real difference. Every fitter and turner starts at the workbench, mastering hand tools before moving to machines. Files, hacksaws, taps, and dies. These are the tools that teach you the feel of metal and the value of precision. Making a simple block with a square hole? You'll mark, punch, drill, and file it to perfection. Measurement is everything. Vernier calipers and micrometers become your best friends. You learn that close enough isn't good enough. These hand skills build patience, accuracy, and respect for the craft. Even experts return to the bench for tricky jobs. The basics never go out of style. They're the foundation of the trade. This is where the craft truly begins, with your own two hands. Once you've mastered the fundamental techniques using hand tools, you've built a solid foundation. You understand the properties of metal, how it behaves under pressure, and the importance of precision. Now, it's time to harness the power of machines. This is where the real transformation begins, where efficiency meets accuracy. Power drills, with their relentless torque, saws slicing through metal with controlled aggression, and grinders, smoothing rough edges and shaping surfaces with fiery sparks, all dramatically speed up the work. But among all these powerful tools, the lathe reigns supreme. It is the heart of precision machining. A lathe spins metal at high speeds while you, the operator, carefully shape it using specialized cutting tools, transforming rough, unyielding bars into precise, perfectly cylindrical shafts, ready for any application. You can craft pins or bolts, each one a testament to your skill and the machine's capabilities. It's a delicate dance of intense focus and practiced skill, requiring unwavering attention to detail. You're constantly measuring and adjusting, striving to hit those exact dimensions, ensuring every part meets the required specifications. The lathe's versatility extends further. It can also cut threads with remarkable accuracy, drill perfectly aligned holes, and even create textured surfaces, adding grip or aesthetic appeal. The milling machine is its powerful counterpart, another essential tool in the machine shop. Instead of spinning the part, the milling machine spins the cutting tool, offering a different approach to material removal. This allows you to create flat surfaces with exceptional precision and cut intricate slots with ease. Mastering the operation of these machines transforms you from a simple mechanic to a true craftsperson, a master of metal. With these skills at your command, you gain the ability to create almost any part you can imagine, limited only by your creativity and ingenuity. The leap from relying solely on hand tools to embracing the capabilities of these machines is truly where the magic happens, unlocking a world of possibilities. This is the very heart of the process, the essence of turning raw, unformed metal into the intricate, precisely engineered components that power our working machinery. A significant part of the job isn't just about creating new things, it's about mending what's broken. We breathe new life into tired machines. When a machine grinds to a halt, or starts behaving erratically, you transform into a detective, searching for clues. It's a mechanical mystery that needs solving. The first step is disassembling it piece by piece, carefully taking apart each component. You're meticulously tracking how everything fits together, understanding the intricate relationships between parts. Careful notes and detailed photos become your best friends, helping you remember the exact order of assembly. It's crucial for a smooth rebuild. As you carefully take each part off, you meticulously inspect it for signs of wear and tear. Look for anything that seems out of the ordinary. Pay close attention to cracks, even the smallest ones. Also, look for any telltale signs of overheating, discoloration or warping. Every scratch, every dent, every imperfection tells a story about the machine's failure and the stresses it endured. Cleaning is absolutely essential for a proper inspection. The right solvents and a good set of brushes will reveal hidden problems that grime and grease can obscure. Only with spotless, pristine parts can you accurately spot those hairline cracks or subtle signs of worn surfaces. Precision measuring tools are used to check if the parts are still within the manufacturer's specified tolerance. Dye penetrant testing is a valuable technique that exposes even the most invisible, microscopic cracks. You meticulously compare everything to the manufacturer's manual and specifications. Based on your findings, you make informed decisions about what to repair and what to replace with new components. This thorough and meticulous process ensures that the machine will run reliably and efficiently once it's completely rebuilt and put back into service. Rebuilding is where diagnosis meets craftsmanship, a true test of skill. You gather new and repaired parts, ready to bring the machine back to life. Sometimes machining replacements yourself. Reassembly follows the reverse order, using your notes and photos. Every part must be installed with precision. Bearings pressed, seals seated, gears aligned. Lubrication is critical. The right grease or oil prevents future failures. As you assemble, you double-check every step. Torque specs, safety guards, smooth movement. The final check is your last chance to catch mistakes before powering up. Reassembly isn't just reversing disassembly, it's building it back better. The pride comes from knowing every piece is exactly where it should be, fitting perfectly. Not every problem means a total breakdown. Sometimes it's a strange noise or vibration. Fault finding is detective work, using your senses and experience to diagnose issues without a full teardown. Listen for squeals or clunks, feel for heat or vibration. Each clue points to a likely cause. Years of experience build intuition, but modern tools help too. Laser alignment and vibration analysis pinpoint faults quickly. Sometimes it's a quick fix, sometimes you schedule a shutdown for bigger repairs. Predictive maintenance, catching problems early, keeps machines running and avoids costly breakdowns. The best fitters blend old-school skill with new technology. It's about fixing problems before they stop production. The job isn't done until the machine is installed and tested. Installation means precise alignment, secure mounting, and careful connections. Testing starts with static checks, then brief runs to check direction and listen for issues. Gradually, you increase the load, monitoring gauges and vibrations. Commissioning proves the machine works safely and efficiently in real conditions. This is the final quality check before full operation. From hand filing a block to installing massive machines, fitters and turners do it all. They're creators, mechanics, and problem solvers. For those who want a hands-on career, this path offers real impact and responsibility. Because of their skills, the wheels of industry keep turning.